See the next problem in the method of variation of parameters. Apply method of variation of parameters to solve. It means that you have to find the complete solution of this differential equation. Y double dash minus 6y dash plus 9y is equal to e power 3x by x square. Okay. First of all, we have to write the operator form. What is the operator form? The operator form of given differential equation is y double dash means capital D square minus 6d plus, here y is the common term, so plus 9 of y is equal to e power 3x by x square. Take it equation number 1. Here what is function of d? D square minus 6d plus 9, and capital D is nothing but d by dx, and what is the right hand side function? E power 3x by x square. So first of all, find out the complementary function as usually. So for that purpose I will write auxiliary equation. The formula for auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. Replace capital D is equal to m in this f of d and equate to 0. So you will get an algebraic equation. Here you will get second degree algebraic equation. So it has exactly 2 roots. So 3 3s are 9, and we have negative sign between them, which is negative 6. So I will give minus 3 minus 3. So what are the factors? M minus 3 into m minus 3. You can also use the a minus b whole square formula. So m is equal to 3 comma 3, which are real and repeated roots. Real and repeated roots. So the complementary function of 1 is yc is equal to c1 plus c2x whole into e power 3x. I will write this one as c1 into e power 3x plus c2 into x into e power 3x. You can take this is u. What is u? E power 3x. And what is v? X into e power 3x. So by the method of variation of parameters, we can take pi as, we have to take particular integral as yp is equal to, replace this parameter c1 by a of x. So this term is similar term. Just we have to change the parameters as a of x and b of x into x into e power 3x. Take it equation number 2. So we have to find out the a of x and b of x now. Already you know that we have special formula for a of x and b of x, but before finding a of x and b of x, you have to find out their denominator first. What is their denominator of a of x and b of x? Wronskian of uv. So first find it Wronskian of uv. It would be determinant of uv. First row is uv, second row is their derivatives. So nothing but uv dash minus u dash v. Okay, what is u? E power 3x. And what is v dash? Derivative of this part. Okay, open a bracket. Here we have to apply product rule. So two functions are in product, then we have to apply the product rule in the derivatives. Derivative of x is 1 into e power 3x, e power 3x plus, now x is similar term, derivative of e power 3x is 3 into e power 3x minus u dash, derivative of e power 3x, it would be 3 into e power 3x, and v is the similar term, so you will write x into e power 3x. Separate the terms, e power 3x into e power 3x, bases are equal. Whenever bases are equal, you have to add the powers. 3x plus 3x, it would be 6x. Okay, plus 3x into e power 6x again, minus, here also e power 3x and e power 3x are in product, so you will get 3x into e power 6x. So this term getting cancelled, so simply you have e power 6x. Now it is enough to find out the values of a and b. What is the formula for a of x? Minus integral vr whole by Wronskian of uv into dx. So minus integration of, what is v? Right hand side, we got v here, which is x into e power 3x. R is nothing but right hand side function, which is given by e power 3x by x square whole by, what is the denominator? Denominator is Wronskian, which is e power 6x. See, I will simplify this integral here. See, here we are observing that in the numerator e power 3x into e power 3x. So e power 3x into e power 3x is e power 6x. So these both are getting cancelled. So remaining part is x by x square. So what is a of x value? Minus is there. X by x square is nothing but 1 by x into dx. So it would be minus log mod x. And what is the b of x value now? It would be integration of ur by Wronskian of uv into dx. What is u? See this one, e power 3x into what is r? E power 3x by x square, right hand side function in the given problem, and Wronskian is e power 6x. So e power 6x, e power 3x, e power 3x, these are all getting cancelled. So simply you have to find out the integration of 1 by x square. It would be minus 1 by x. So this is the b of x value. So replace a of x and b of x in equation number 2. So you will get yp. You will get yp. Yp is equal to a value. What is a value? Minus log mod x into e power 3x. So minus e power 3x into log mod x. Okay, and b value is minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x into e power 3x. So this x getting cancelled. So minus e power 3x into log mod x minus e power 3x. In both parts, minus e power 3x is the common term. So you will get log mod x plus 1. So this is yp. Finally, we have to write the complementary function. Already you know that. What is the general solution? General solution of 1 is y is equal to yc plus yp. So already yc is here only. So c1 plus c2x whole into e power 3x, and write yp here, minus e power 3x into log mod x plus 1. In this way we can complete the problem. In the next video I will give some more problems on method of variation of parameters. Thank you very much.